What's up everybody, and welcome back to the Content Craze. My name is Lissa, and today I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to do your keyword research. Now, in my last video I talked about how important keyword research is, and I talked all about what SEO is, and if you've missed that video I will link it up in the card up above. Today, to do my keyword research, I am going to be using two different tools, and you don't have to use tools to do your keyword research. However, it does make your life a lot easier. The two tools I will be using is Keywords Everywhere, which is a free extension download. You do have to pay for the keyword research, but it is really inexpensive. I pay $10 for 100,000 searches and it lasts me about a month. And I'm telling you, I've tried to go without Keywords Everywhere and I just can't do it. And I'll show you why in a few minutes. The other tool I'm going to be using is Tubebuddy. Tubebuddy is phenomenal for finding the right keywords that aren't too competitive, that can help you get people to your videos. Alright, so let's say that I have niched down my channel and I have a baking channel and I teach people all about how to bake cakes. But I'm stuck because I don't know what video topic I should do next. What you want to do is find out what it is that people are looking for when they are trying to find out how to bake a cake. So I'm going to show you how you can use your keyword research to find a video topic. Let's jump over to the computer and I'll show you. Now, if you go into the YouTube search and you search how to bake a cake, all of these that come up are searches that people have actually made. And if you'll notice, I have these little numbers here on the side. That is from Keywords Everywhere, and this is why I find it so useful, because Keywords Everywhere tells me exactly how many times a month a topic is searched and if it's trending or not. And that's what these little bars here are for. For example, how to bake a cake in a microwave in May of 2020 had 4,400 searches, and now in June of 2020 it's had 12,000 searches. So this is becoming a trending topic. This is a great way to find trending topics in your niche. So let's go with how to bake a cake in a microwave. Alright, so we click on it and we see a whole bunch of different videos that have come up. And you'll see I have Tubebuddy over here. It's already telling me that this is a good search term, because the search volume is high, you get about 25,000 searches a month, and there's not a lot of competition for this. So this is a perfect video idea. Now what you want to do is you want to further explore other keywords to help get your video found, and this way you can make sure that you say these keywords in your video as well. So we click on the little Tubebuddy icon up here, and we click on Keyword Explorer, and now we're going to start searching for some terms. So we're looking for how to bake a cake in a microwave. What if we typed in how to bake a cake without an oven? Okay, you can see here it is something that is searched. As you can see right now, it's unweighted. Weighted is going to tell you the search results across your channel, what keywords get people to your channel specifically. If you're just starting out, everything's going to show up either fair or poor because you probably don't have a lot of videos out. What I like to do is search in unweighted, because unweighted is going to show you across the platform. And when I clicked on unweighted, it says that this search is very good. So this is something we want to add to our keyword list. And you want to keep doing this until you have a whole list of keywords. You could break this down a little bit. If you were to go with just how to bake a cake, which is very generic, you're probably not going to get as good of a result. So you get fair with that. I wouldn't necessarily go with that. You want to be more specific. How to bake a chocolate cake in the microwave. Look at that, something that's already searched. Excellent. So these are how you find the right keywords that are going to bring the people to your videos that want to see them. So when someone searches how to bake a chocolate cake in a microwave, your video is going to come up because you have done your keyword research. The important thing is now when you do your keyword research, you want to make sure that you're saying these words in your videos so that when YouTube analyzes your videos for subtitles, YouTube will say, you know what? The keywords that this person is trying to rank for are showing up in their videos. Therefore, their content matches what they're trying to rank for, and they're more likely to show your video to people who are looking for it. And also here on Tubebuddy, it shows you some suggested keywords, some suggested video searches, some common video tags that you can also, I would check again, make sure that you can rank really well for these. But then if you also go up here to results, you'll actually see the videos. And what you want to do here is you want to compare these thumbnails, and you want to find a thumbnail that is going to make your video stand out amongst all these other videos. Now, a cool little trick I'm going to show you is how to find out what keywords your competitors are using, because this is important. You want to find out what keywords they're using to get views to their videos. So what I'm going to do here, back on this page where we had all of the how to bake a cake in a microwave videos, we're going to click on this top one here. It has 680,000 views. So we're going to click on this top one. We're just going to pause it for a second. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to look over here at my Tubebuddy analytics. And it's going to show me how many comments this person's had, how many likes on Facebook they've had, how many views they've had, and so forth. But right down here, it's going to show me all the tags that they've used. Now, you can use these tags, absolutely. But again, I would suggest taking these tags and putting them into Tubebuddy and making sure you can get a good ranking score on these, because some of these, like right here, there's food and eat. These are very broad tags and you may not get very much for them. So you want to use the tags that are going to bring the people into your channel. And again, with the keywords everywhere, I have all of these persons' tags are in here, and it shows how many searches a month are done on these tags. This is why these two tools together are extremely useful in making sure that you're using the right tags that will bring people into your videos. Now, is this going to make you go viral? No. This is not what I'm promising. What I'm promising you is that you're going to bring more views to your channel than you would if you had not done this. Okay, going viral, I think, is something that people talk about doing all the time, and it's something that doesn't really happen that often. You really need to put in the work. So if you post a video without any keyword tags, without any description, you're not going to get a lot of views. But if you do your homework and you actually do your keyword research and you tag and title your videos correctly and you do your descriptions correctly, then you will get a lot more views than you would if you have not done that. So that is what I'm trying to show you how to do here. And I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you want to see more tutorials like this, please let me know in the comment section below. Consider subscribing to the video and giving the video a like, and I will see you guys next time.